Anodizing is a safe, water-based process that enhances natural aluminum's durability and aesthetic qualities. This electrochemical process seals the deep pores of aluminum, preventing potential contamination and undesirable baking reactions. Increasing in thickness, the aluminum alloy transforms into a strong and corrosion-resistant finish that preserves and prolongs the life of aluminum products. This results in a versatile, non-toxic surface that will not peel, flake, or rust. Conventional anodizing generates no hazardous waste and, according to EPA rules, contains no volatile organic compounds or EPA-listed toxic organics. Fat Daddy-O's bakeware is also always safe to recycle. Fat Daddy-O's, an environmentally sound choice for professional bakeware.